The YouTube frame by frame tool allows you to analyze a YouTube video exactly as it sounds, frame by frame. So if we add a YouTube video link here, click load video, move these tools out of the way so the control panel will just sort of float around the screen. And now we've got the YouTube video in there. This is just me riding around Thailand. We can start analyzing the video. So we click play on the toolbar. And we can just speed it up a little bit if there's nothing interesting. And step forward. So keep playing. And we'll come to a part where there might be something interesting in the video. So we'll stop here. Now the license plate of the truck is going to be a little bit clearer. So now we can add a note to say truck rego is 80-9848. And we can add that notation in and continue to play the video. And just in case it gets a little bit too fast for us, we can slow it down a little bit. So, all right, so we can say here, annotation, rider overtook truck. And continue to play on and just add our comments as we go along. Once we've finished the analysis, we can click export, and it's just going to export all our notations into a PDF document. Very simple. URL of the video, and then what we actually commented when we commented it.